In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your rear tailgate hinge. Just a quick note, our hinge on our body of the vehicle is rotted and broken. The tailgate should fit right over this area. Now with the tailgate in the open position, we're going to make our way up here. This is going to be the mount that holds the tailgate cable to the body of the vehicle. To release this, you can gently get underneath the lock. We'll lift up on the tailgate and then slide the tailgate cable up. As you can tell looking at the back side, this area right where the lock is a little larger and it fits over this area. Now let's carefully make our way over to the other side of the vehicle. Now at this point, you want to be extra careful because this cable is what's holding the tailgate up off your bumper. Now the next thing we want to do is bring the tailgate up at an angle like this. I'm going to start lifting up on the passenger side and pulling it away from the vehicle. As I do, I'm going to start sliding this towards the right or the passenger side to remove it from the driver's side hinge. We're going to continue on by removing each of our T50 Torx bit screws. Once you have the bolt out of there, it's a good idea to give it a quick inspection. And then I always take the first bolt and I put it back in just a couple threads. The reason why I want to do that is for safety. I'll continue on down here, fully remove this, and with having this bolt in here, I don't have to worry about this falling down. We'll fully remove that bolt as well. There it is, friends. Now that we have the hinge out of the way, we're going to clean the area. I'll use a nice soft brush. Make sure that it's a smooth surface for the hinge to sit on. After that, I'll continue on with a bore brush. I'll come inside each of my bolt holes. I just want to kind of clean them up. Now at this point, if you wanted to, you can continue on by color matching this area with a little bit of paint. For me, this is an instructional video. We'll continue on by installing the hinge. Let's take our bolts after we've cleaned the threads. Line up our hinge in this position. Start in each of your mounting bolts. After you have each of them started, you can snug them up and then torque them to 59 foot-pounds. Now let's put the tailgate up onto our bumper so it's resting without damaging any paint. We're going to reach in and grab that safety cable. We'll start that on first. Make sure it's completely secured. Now we're going to carefully lift up the tailgate, bring it up, slide it in. As we do this, keep in mind the tailgate might want to pivot and could potentially fall off of your bumper. Be extremely careful. Now that we have that up there, let's continue over to the passenger side. We'll start with that safety cable over here as well. Now that we have the cable on there, let's carefully slide the hinge into place. Now we should be able to set this down. You want to make sure that both sides of this are nice and taut. Both sides of the hinges are firmly in place. Once you feel as though you have it fully installed, go ahead and shut that tailgate. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.